Okay, so hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 8th of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. This cool t-shirt I got it from Myntra 2 years ago. You guys can find it out. A lot of girls ask me that. I know it looks cool, that's why I took it. Mission completed. Okay, now if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It's super easy to understand. I'm doing it from a very long time now. It's life changing. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. Tada! Let's start. So Aries, please keep that in mind. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. And if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Let's start. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, we have the Three of Cups, the King of Wands, the Death card. Okay. See, their feelings right now are, they feel they should connect with you, reconnect with you, but they are not feeling the vibe of it anymore. Are you getting my point? Sometimes we feel like we should connect with somebody because we had a connection at some point of time, we had good times with each other, but there's no more attraction, there's no more passion, there's no more this desire or energy of, oh my god, I want it, or I want to be with this person because this person is the love of my life or something. No, see, they still feel the energy of connecting with you, reconnecting with you, but at the same time they're losing the passion, they're losing the fire, and the full on desire of wanting to be with you in this connection at this present moment. This is their feeling. See, they feel like the passion is gone, the desire is gone, the fire is gone, but because of whatever you guys shared with each other in the past, they still feel the energy of connecting or reconnecting with you from time to time. But it's not like, oh my god, I want Aries right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. Never have any idea what to do with my hair, especially when I just like have a fresh, what we call that, hair wash. Yeah, let's see what this person wants from you. Whoa, sometimes I get lost in my own eyes. I don't even understand what should I do. I'm falling in love with myself with each passing day more and more deeply. What they want, it's like they want to wait for the time when everything is going to be sorted from their side. They're not considering you as a factor of deciding whether they should connect with you or not. They're deciding, they are considering their own energies as the deciding factor whether they should come towards you or not. Right now they want to keep their options open and they want to surrender to the divine, that if it is meant to be between me and Aries only, it will happen naturally. If not, I am just letting it go. So right now this person is in this casual, cool and calm kind of energy of, if it is meant to be, it will come back around. If not, I'm letting it go. I anyway don't feel the desire or passion of reconnecting with Aries as of now. I'm not, these are the current energies that I'm talking about, right? And this is the intention, current intention that I'm talking about. It's not like they are not never going to feel it or something. Some people start crying or sulking after watching my videos because of the way I tell them honestly and truthfully. But I am going to do it as honestly as I can, because I guess it's my job to make you guys cry in reality instead of being happy in the delirious. I'm sorry, delirious is not the solution here, honey. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 8th of December. Tower, Four of Pentacles, Page of Wands. Wow. So this person is going to, out of the blue, they are going to text you or call you or connect with you. It's like they're no, say something is going to happen and that will trigger this person's energy to at least talk to you once, right? I don't see this person coming towards you with this commitment kind of energy, with this lovey-dovey kind of energy of, oh my god, Aries, I can't live without you, can we be together, can we marry or something. No, this person is coming towards you with a very casual kind of approach, with a very casual kind of energy of, okay, can we talk to each other again. It's like somebody opening up the gate of communication or testing the waters if you are still interested in them. Nothing more than that. I don't see any more than this energy of a casual connection, a casual friendship, a casual date kind of a deal from this person's side at this present moment. This is the action. It could be you reaching out to them suddenly out of the blue. It could be them reaching out to you suddenly out of the blue. But I do see communication happening here, like normal communication, like two friends do that, right? That is what's happening. Guidance for you, the Hermit card. Take your time. Take your time before you are going to jump into any kind of conclusions regarding the situation, whether it's a complete no or whether it's a complete yes. Take your time. If you are okay with this person's whatever they are doing, energy is kind of okay for you, or just a friendship kind of a deal is okay for you, okay, then you can proceed further. See, basically it's your life, your choice, your rules. My life, my rules kind of a deal. If you feel like you can go ahead with this person's energy the way they are presenting it to you, by all means you can. And if you feel like you should not open up to this person no matter what, don't do that, right? This is your life, your rules. You rock. So this is what I'm getting for you guys at the present moment, honey. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.